Hey everybody, we are back with another This Week in Pricing edition. We're here with Dr. Michael Taznetti of PPS. Hi, Michael.
Hello, hey everybody, how are you?
Great. What's going on? What's new this week in pricing?
So this week we are all about Las Vegas Conference, our 30th annual fall conference. Today I want to talk to you all about two opportunities at conference. The first one always baffles me, which is we'll have people who attend our workshops. Those are the full day 5-hour trainings on one specific topic with a faculty member, but half of the time no one realizes that they're earning a CPP credit when they attend a workshop, because I'll literally ask them to raise their hands, who here is earning the CPP, and half of the hands don't go up. But if you're in a workshop, you technically are earning credits for the CPP. So the CPP, you have to earn 6 credits to qualify to sit for the exam. Each workshop day is 1 credit. So if you'll be joining us on Wednesday, that's 1 credit. If you're coming on Tuesday and Wednesday of conference week, that's 2 credits. So you're 1/3 of the way at least to your CPP. If you have not signed up for workshops, there's still space available. We have 12 different workshops, 5 on Tuesday, 7 on Wednesday. And so you can take everything from core pricing skills all the way up to customer experience, being the new decommodifier, subscription, change management, digital pricing models. So there's so many opportunities for you to earn CPP credit. If you have questions on that, be sure to email me at michael@pricingsociety.com and I will be more than happy to answer that. The second thing that I want to highlight is our most popular feature of the conference outside of the networking receptions. Everybody loves going out to dinner and the drinks and all that fun. But it is our town halls. They are the highest rated experience from an educational standpoint. And the town halls are at the end of each conference day, Thursday and Friday. They're the last breakout session. And I think that what makes ours so special and highly rated is that we don't do one big town hall with all 4 keynote speakers from the morning on one stage and all 500 attendees in the room. Instead, we split you all up. So you get to pick one of the 4 keynote speakers from that morning. They're each in a smaller room that seats about 100 or so. And so you get to pick which one you really want to focus in on. It's a smaller environment, so pretty much everybody that has a question gets their question answered in that 45 minutes. And it's a great way to have ROI to bring back to your boss, to have key takeaways to implement at your job. So the town halls, each day you can pick one of the 4 keynotes from that morning and attend their individual town hall at the end of the day and get all of your questions answered without having to compete with 500 other people. So that's a great thing. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you all in Las Vegas. We're only 3 weeks away now. It doesn't even feel like it, but we're 3 weeks away. You can follow along on social media with our hashtag, which is hashtag PPSVegas19. So be sure to follow along on Twitter and LinkedIn to see everything happening. Otherwise, registration is still open. The hotel is sold out. So if you have not gotten your hotel room, make sure next year you get on it earlier. Our stuff tends to sell out quickly, but there is still some registration open. And again, workshops are open if you're coming to conference and have now decided to join workshops as well. Otherwise, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at michael@pricingsociety.com. And to see the full brochure electronically, you can visit us at pricingsociety.com to view the PDF of everything that will be happening in Las Vegas in 3 weeks. So we will see you guys next week. Have a good day.
Thanks, Michael.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.